I'm on. Hey, this is Prospector Haney out here in a secret spot. I'm not going to tell you about it, but I've been using a river sluice here, and I've been putting a lot of material in it, and I'm about to do a clean out, and I'll show you. So you ready? Let's go! Now once you come over here real close, and I want you to see all the gold that's already in here. Look right here in the front. You'll see there's already quite a bit of gold right in the riffles here. So if I've got that much gold in the riffles, I know I got some good gold in the mat. I can already see little pieces. All right. So now we're going to do a clean out. I prefer these little river sluices because you can put them in your backpack. It's easy to take around, and actually I think they work just as good as the big ones. I have a big one, but I prefer this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run some water just to get all the loose stuff out. A good rule of thumb on your river sluice is keep it in the water for a little while to let the river, in this case a creek, run all your light material off, so that way you don't have a lot piled up. And if you have a lot piled up, then you don't have enough current going through your sluice. So I'm going to do this. Okay, that's just to clean it around here enough. I got a lot of the gold here. I still see some down here, but now I'm going to take this wing nut off. And if you're doing this, you better be having fun. You better be having fun, because it's a lot of work, but it's fun. And you pull this out, okay? And before I do anything, I'm going to wash that off. Okay, so I'm going to wash that off. I'll put that aside. Now I'm going to go to the screen, and I'll pull that off, and I'm going to do the same thing. Because sometimes the gold will stick to this stuff. And then I'm going to pull the mat out, roll it up a little bit, put it in the pan, just leave that alone for a minute. Now I'm going to rinse that out. I'm going to start pretty low here. I don't want to get too crazy. I'm going to hit it up here in these riffles a little bit. Sometimes what I do is I turn it to an angle like that, so the gold will go down the riffles down here and then come out. Then I check to make sure I got all the gold out. Nope, there's still quite a bit of gold in there. Look at that. Look at that piece right there by my thumb. Okay. So I still hadn't got it. I think I got it that time. Okay. Nope, one more piece. Slap it on there a couple times. You can always pick it out with a, okay, that looks good. You can always pick it out later with tweezers. Okay, then I'm going to unroll this thing, turn it upside down. What I like to do, I'm going to put a little bit more water in here. Tad bit more water in here. I'm kind of on a bank here, so it's a little awkward, but I'm going to roll it, slash it, squeeze it. I'm going to do that several times. Sometimes when I bring it home, after I do this, I let it dry, and then I dust it off in my pan, and I end up finding some gold. It sticks to this stuff really good. Okay, now put all that stuff over there. Now we're going to do, I'm just going to give you a glimpse. Let's do a fast glimpse. Come over here, flat area. I'm going to do a fast glimpse of how much gold is in here. I'm not really doing a pan. I'm just kind of trying to get all the gold settled down. I got my other pan here, just kind of Getting a lot of the lighter stuff out. Basically getting it down to just the black sand. And kind of pan in a pan. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so I'm going to show you a trick I learned. So what I do is I take the pan, hold my hand like this. I'm going to get the gold to get right up in this corner. And I'm going to start doing it. And I hit my pan on my hand. And because of the gravity, that gold goes boom, 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 boom. Okay? I'm going to keep doing that. And then I tilt my pan slightly away from me. Okay? And then get everything more concentrated. And then there's the gold. Ooh, there's a nice piece here. Really nice piece. And there's more in that black sand. The black sand holds a lot of gold. Let me see if I can, let me get it a little bit and do that same technique. Get it to line up a little better for you. There's more gold out here. Let me put it all together. Yeah, that's a really nice piece. There we go. Not a bad pan. Here's a piece over here too. Not a bad pan. Get a little bit clearer and make a nice little gold line. Look at that. I don't know, what did I sleep for what, 30 minutes maybe? There's more gold in it too. That's just the. So that's it. Signing off. Prospector Haney. Have fun. Be careful.